Hey guys, it's Kay. I hope you're all well. Now, if you are a sports fan, this is going to be a great video for you because I'm going to be talking about how to get a whole load of sports channels without any subscription right on your Firestick TV or Cube or Android TV. And you're going to be surprised about how easy it is. And the best thing is you don't even need to create an account to get this content. Now, I have had to blur this out a bit as I don't have the rights to show you this content. The viewing quality is high definition, there's no buffering, no stuttering, and of course no lagging. You just click on what you want to watch and it comes up instantly. And to be honest, these channels are hiding right under your nose and you probably didn't know it. So this is me watching sports on my Firestick TV, and this service is available right now without even installing an app. There's no subscription, and the service is also available on your Android TVs and of course not forgetting your Fire TV cubes. There's all sorts of sports available from golf, boxing, snooker, and not a lot of people know about this service. It comes pre-installed on your devices. So stick around and I'll guide you through what's available. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, reviews and unboxings, I do everything including Firestick, Raspberry Pi and Android TV tips and tricks. So subscribe and hit the notification button. So what is this great sports service and how do you get it? Well, it's a little known service in the YouTube app. Some of you may already know about it, but most of you probably don't. So first of all, of course, you need the YouTube app. Now, in the unlikely event that you don't have YouTube installed, it's easy enough to install. Go to the Google Play Store, type in YouTube, and of course it's going to be the first app that pops up. Install it and then go and open it up. On the home screen, work your way down from the home, go past gaming, movies and TV, news, past library until you get to more. And what you'll see here is a live section, and then finally at the bottom a sports section. And it's here that we've got access to live sport and entertainment. Now, like I mentioned before, there's a wide range of sports covered here. And in my experience, every time I've entered this section, there's been a whole different load of sports available. So it's basically constantly updating. We've got live sports news, cricket, and once you've found something you're interested in, just click on the thumbnail and you'll instantly get a live stream of the sports coverage. But of course you may have to go through a few ads before you get to the coverage, as it is an ad supported feature. Now of course, if you do pay for YouTube Premium, you're not going to get any of these ads and you're going to get an even more seamless streaming experience. Now in my experience, the only time I got some ads was the first time I clicked on a stream, and even then I was able to skip after a few seconds. And in all, I probably got about 2 or 3 ads in an hour session, which is perfectly acceptable for what you're getting, which is high quality live sports videos. So let's take a look at what else we're getting. You can see we've got cricket, there's also baseball here, we've got football from Saigon, and if it is a live stream, you're going to get that little live box in the thumbnail confirming that it is indeed a live stream. So let's take a look at what else we've got. Looks like we've got some Thai boxing here, and another one we've got here is cricket, and this one looks like it's a live stream from India. We've also got golf, one of my favourites, and we've got some Olympic sports. So guys, I think you get the idea. There's a whole host of sports categories, basically something for everyone. Now if you scroll down from the live section, you're going to get a recommended section, and here you're going to see documentaries and popular clips with sports coming from all over the world. So you can see we've got a documentary with Mike Tyson, soccer chants, Olympics. We've got a historic clip here from the Olympics way back, and all the way up to modern stuff including Logan Paul. Well, I mean, if you can call that sport. They've also got some interesting boxing matches here. In all, a pretty good category there, and that's recommended. Now below that we've got the highlights category, so we've got match highlights, mainly from soccer matches. So if you do miss a match, you can at least see the highlights. We've got Arsenal, we've got Tottenham, we've got Crystal Palace v Arsenal, Crystal Palace v Arsenal Live, Premier League, and of course Manchester United. And we've got some highlights for an MMA match there. So in all guys, another good category there, and that's the highlights category. You can't really ask for anything more, but there is. We've got a top stories category. So this is more like news coverage about what's going on in sport, the latest and greatest. And again, for me mainly it's a lot of football, but of course depending on where you're located, this whole app is going to be different for you depending on what sports are available in your area of the world. Below top story category, we've got the trending categories. So of course this is what people are watching and talking about at this current moment, day or hour. So this is going to change quite regularly. And again, mainly for me it's football because I'm based in the UK and that's a top sport here. And finally we've got a category called From the Athletes. And these are shows and clips where the athletes and sports people produce the content themselves. And here strangely I've got a lot of American football and basketball And that's probably because American athletes and players are more social media focused. Anyway guys, that was a quick look at the live sports section in the YouTube app, which for many of you and me included is a new feature we haven't seen before or just plainly not noticed. And if you did find this video helpful, please do give it a like and consider subscribing for more content. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one.